Let's go on a walking tour of one of the worst intersections to cross as a pedestrian in New Haven. Depending on where you start, it can take 4 or 5 different crosswalks just to get across this thing, and each time you cross, you stand on these little islands as cars whiz by you from all directions. You're completely unprotected. I think each of these islands has been hit by drivers at least once in the past year. So with 1 of 4 crosswalks down, I'm waiting for the signal. Now I'll cross over to this ramp, and you'll see this next crossing actually has no crossing signal whatsoever. So I have to look for a gap in the cars from like the 3 directions they're coming from, and then dart across. On this next island, there actually is a pedestrian push button, but from the time I push this button to the time I get the walk signal is a full minute and 12 seconds. So I'm going to use that time to show you how I would fix this intersection. Here's the existing layout again. I think we can all tell that the current priority is moving personal vehicles at high speeds. So this used to be a traffic circle back in the day, so that's what I would bring it back to. Except this time a more modern roundabout with some Dutch influence, meaning the sidewalks and bike lanes are continuous and have priority over vehicles. One of the challenges with this concept is that it would require property acquisitions of a gas station and part of a parking lot, which personally I'm fine with because those 2 uses are completely antithetical to the urban walkable area right next to this intersection. And finally, we got our last walk signal, and nearly 3 minutes later, we've crossed 1 intersection from that church to here. We can do so much better.